Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're getting into this date night fall tutorial. If you'd like to see how I did it, keep watching. Hey loves, welcome back. Today I'm going to go in with the Tati Beauty palette. This is how it looks. I'm going to take that first dark shade, that brown, and begin to put that into my crease and on my outer V. I am going to pat this color on instead of swiping or swirling. Next, I'm going to go ahead into with that, it's like an orangish brown in that palette, and I'm going to begin to pat that over the edges of that dark brown, just to blend that out. I then begin to keep patting that color in because I wanted to soften up the edges of that color because I didn't plan on using another shade to blend that out. Next, I'm going back in with that dark brown, and I'm re-putting it on the outer and basically building it back up because I lost it. Next, I'm going to go ahead with my Too Faced concealer, and I'm going to go ahead so I can make sure that next color I add pops because it's going to be a lighter shade. And I'm just going to put that on the lid because that's where the next color is going. So I'm going to go ahead with the lightest color in the palette and begin to place that onto my lid on top of that concealer. Next, I'm going to go back in with that brown, and this is where I'm going to do a little swirling. I didn't have to, I could have just pat the color on, but instead I swirled it on and marked it into my crease just to blend out those edges. Next, I'm going to go in that lighter brown and do the same thing. Basically pat out the edges of that brown, that darker brown. Next, I'm going with the NYX Epic Wear liner in the shade brown, and I'm going to begin to line my lids. This is a really nice eyeliner. I mean, if you like brushes or like the ones with the tip on them, if you like those, then this is a really nice one. And then I begin to blend out the end of that liner before it dried. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my eyelash glue, the Kiss eyelash glue, and I begin to place that in a line on my lid, so then I can place some glitter on that line to make a glitter liner. So the glitter liner is from Amazon. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on. This is the Tarte mascara. Next, I'm going to go on Beauty Creation lashes, and she's fancy, and they are fancy. Now I'm going in with the NYX Plump Right Back Primer, and I'm going to begin to put that on my face. I should have used my hands because I actually like the way it looks better with hands, but today I decided to use a brush. I don't know. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite, the Tarte Smoothing Primer, and begin to work that into my pores, where I got pores at. Now I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution IRL foundation. You guys, this stuff is awesome for $13, and then it'd be going on sale, and it'd be like $7-8. You cannot beat this. This is a pretty foundation. Now notice at the beginning of the video I had this big old burn on my forehead. Do you see how that went over that burn? Oh, it is beautiful. Just beautiful. And I'm just trying to pat it on just to get around the burn and the hair. Yeah, I like this hair. The only thing was it did not curl. And I don't know, I want to say I got this from LA Pearl or West Kiss. It was one of them. But the hair is beautiful. It just didn't curl. It wouldn't hold a curl for the life in it. And I'm just going to blend this out in a beauty blender. And as you see, I'm trying to show you, because people talk about colors and the fact that you this and this and this. Now, mind you, this color is a pretty good match to my shoulders and everything else. But if you look at my chest, Lord, look at the chest. I am like 3-4 different colors, you guys. It don't make no sense. My chest, my neck, my shoulders, it's all different. Like, it looks so red, but you let me tone it down and not wear something with red in it. It's gonna make me look so gray. I don't understand it, you guys. But it looks beautiful. If you see me smiling, it's because I am just, wow. I'm just admiring how good it looks on the skin. Now I'm going with what is now my favorite. The Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer, you guys. I love this concealer. I gotta buy it in more shades. It is my favorite. My absolute favorite. I'm trying to wait till next month because guess what? It is an event starting on the 28th of October. Now I'm going in with this Milani. It's new. It's like supposed to be like the Charlotte Tilbury. Those bronzer wands. And you guys, I'm just gonna say I didn't notice a difference at all. Like, this is a new product, a fairly new product, should I say. And it was new when I did this video, you guys. It's a little late. I've been doing some Halloween stuff for TikTok. But, yeah, this, no, look at this. Look, first of all, they removed the product off my forehead. Look at that, the burn right back. See that? See the burn came right back. It removes product, so you gotta watch out for that. So I'm trying to blend it in, and I'm looking because I'm like, I'm looking for the bronze, you guys. I'm looking for it, and it didn't come. Like, and you see how dark that is? Yeah, it's not really that dark. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend in this concealer. Because right now, I'm still wondering where the frick is my bronzer. But you know what? We going to work with this concealer. Because look how long it's set. I put the bronzer on. And I blended out the bronzer and everything else. And look at this concealer, y'all. Look at it. Look how beautiful it's blending out. No issues at all. Girl, this is what we live for. I didn't have to add any more concealer or anything just to make it. Because, you know, sometimes you let it sit and them concealers, you got to go add some concealer to make it wet again and all that other mess. No, none of that. Look at this. And look how beautiful it's blending out. Like, oh. Woo-wee. And I'm just going to keep blending and making it look beautiful and blending. And talking to my sister on the phone because she be on the phone when I be doing this most of the time. Just watching me blending. We did a 10-minute tutorial the other day, you guys. I should have taped it. It took me 10 minutes to do everything but put on my eyebrows. Now, I'm going to tell you, my eyebrows is a setback for me. Eyebrows can take me 30 minutes, but I can do the rest of the face in 10. It's ridiculous. But that day I used all cream products. But still, I got it done in 10 minutes. And then I ran a bronzer through my eyes, you know. But 10 minutes just for it was a face and it was cute. I didn't wear no eyelashes though. But still, 10 minutes is a good 10 minutes. It take me longer than that to do these freaking eyebrows. These eyebrows take forever, y'all. Sometimes I be in there, you know, and I can get on my eyebrows and they be on in like 15 minutes. 10, 15 minutes. And then sometimes I go in there and after an hour, if they not right, I just be like, you know what, quit. I don't want to do makeup today. It's just over. Makeup is just, it sucks today, you know? Even though that's what I went in there for. I mean, it's been heck of days that I go in there and I be like, you know what, I quit. But, you know, then I go back. I go back and I do it again, you know, because I enjoy doing makeup. But it's heck of days I go in there and I be like, I quit. I don't want to. I'm just not going to do it because of the way that I am with eyebrows. And I see people that say they, you know, some of the people I watch on YouTube, and they're like the same way. Well, it took me forever to do these eyebrows, but you didn't see it take me forever to do these eyebrows because I didn't record it. Or they'll say, I did them off, you know, whatever, because they take too long. And that's good. Now I'm going with this 28 blush. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and blush up my face because this is a cream product. It has to go on before I set. And this is pretty. I just really do like the color of this Tower 28 blush. I'm going to try to put it down below because at this moment, I am relaxing because I accidentally ran out of medicine. Next time, okay, now I'm going to go in with this MAC. This MAC Studio Fix foundation. And I think this is an NC43. And I'm using this to set all that part, like under my eyes, everywhere I put that concealer. And this does add coverage because it is a foundation powder. It's a pressed powder. But I love, using it to set that concealer first, if you know what I'm saying. Somebody told me to try it the other way next. So I said I'm going to try it to put the other powder on first and then use this next time. But I still love the way this looks. Next, I'm going to go on my FENTY powder. And this is like my all-over face powder. So I use this as a pressed powder to set my makeup in place. And this is in the shade 430. This is my actual shade. And I was hoping, with the coverage it has, I get a little coverage for that burn that I got, you guys. Or is this 460? This might be the 460. Because the way I'm using it, I'm assuming it's the 460. And the fact that the compact is broke. You guys, you use something a lot when you done broke the compact, but you keep on using it. And this is the Fenty Pro Filter powder. This is the foundation powder. Now I'm going to go on with my favorite. If you do know, you know she's my favorite. This is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set those other places in place. Just set that down. And if anything looks bad, you guys, Charlotte is a fixer, girl. She is a fixer. Say some other powder made you look some type of way, you could fix her with Charlotte. Something look a little off, you could fix her with Charlotte. Like I'm blending out these edges. Charlotte fixes everything. See how beautiful that is? And you can see she fixes everything because I'm almost out of her. But guess what? I have a spare. So I'm learning to live with her. I'm about to let her go. Next, I'm going in with this Becca Perfecting. It has a long name, but they do not sell it anymore because Becca is now gone. And I'm just going to use this. It's in deep bronze to go ahead and chisel out my face. They don't sell this anymore, you guys. Becca is now no more. Smashbox does sell some of their stuff, but not this. This is gone. Also, the Tati palette is no more anymore. She did close down that part of her business, so yeah. I bought it right before she announced that she was going to be closing down. And it's crazy because I wanted it ever since she launched it and I wouldn't get it. And then like the week before I got it and then she made the announcement. I was like, wow. Now I'm going to go back in with that brush to go ahead and blend it out a little bit. You guys, I'm giving face today. I don't care what nobody say. Look at that face. I am totally giving face today. Look at that. Ooh, she giving face, y'all. And now that I'm looking at this, I wasn't too thrilled about the brown hair on me, but I think it looks cute. I can try a couple color hair, in brown and burgundy, and I think they both looked really nice. They looked opposite of what I thought, when I first put them on, because I was like, oh my God. Go ahead and chisel out that nose, you guys. My husband said he doesn't understand why I chisel my nose because it's not that big. But it's not about that. It's about the snatchery of it all. Look at me. I am loving my face, guys. I can't believe it looks like that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some eyeliner. I really don't know what it's called. I got this in a BoxyCharm box a long time ago, and it just seems to be holding up for your girl. This eyeliner I absolutely love. Look how dark it is. And then it has a smudger on it. So I just smudge it out. Just smudge it out a little bit. And then I go ahead and I put a little eyeliner under that. Just to smudge that out with the eyeliner, that black. And bring that little brown into it, you know. Now I'm going to go in with this NARS bronzer and Quirimba. One of them, you guys. That's what it is. And I'm going to bronze up my face. Guys, look at how beautiful my base is. I am just so, Now I'm going to go with the Mented blush. And I love this. This is Play Too Much. And this has become my favorite blush. Favorite. When I say absolute favorite blush, this is it. It's just the tone of it. It's like, kind of like a reddish, brownish color. Like perfect for fall. Perfect for fall. If you go get one, and she's a black-owned business, you know, gotta throw that in there. Just saying. And it's not that much. I think they're like $12. I think. I'm gonna put it down below. But look at this. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. Next, I'm gonna spray my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish setting spray. Because we couldn't disturb the base. We gotta let it leave a little, you know. It's beautiful, so we gon', you know. We had to keep it there. Just beautiful, guys. Oh, I love this base. Now I'm going to go in with the Artist Couture. It's like a highlighter. I don't think they sell it anymore. It's in the shade Illuminati. Guys, I got this back way back when. I just not thrown it away. I don't even think it's available or he sells them like that anymore. I just looked at his brand again. I had bought a palette and it was brown. And I didn't care for it too much. Next, I'm going to go in doing his lips. And I'm going in, like always, with my Morphe pencil in the shade Richie. And now I'm going to go in with a couple of dose of colors. And that's in Sand and one in, I think the other one's in Extra Toasty. And I'm putting Extra Toasty on the outside. And I'm going to put a little bit of Sand in the middle. Like, people could tell you what they want to. You think them lips just come out looking like that after they blot? No, baby. That's a take and a half. You got to work for that. Look at that. There you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my Fenty Gloss Bomb and glass slipper over the top because guess what? It's my favorite and it's my business. Now a little bit of Tarte mascara at the bottom lashes. And this is the end look. You guys, this turned out so good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.